Behind every healthy smile stands reliable support. BIOBASE Dental Electric Air Compressor redefines the power core of dental care with medical-grade standards. Imported leather copper wells and pure copper molders. An intelligent start-stop system extends service life. Precise pressure regulation ranging from 0.55 to 0.8 megapascal. Large capacity air tanks equipped with real-time monitoring for safer operation. Compact units for basic dental treatments. Dual motor models for up to 4 chairs. Industrial units for up to 15 terminals. With staged filtration and drying for 99.9% pure air. Customized solutions available to match your requirements. Clean power, healthy breathing. BIOBASE safeguards every clinical moment.